Yeah, hi Stephen, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD. Couple of problems with it. This part here was pushed down really hard, so it was all jammed up. So basically what I've done is I've taken it off, I've glued it, but keep in mind that if you smack it, it will still go down if you put force on it. Alright, but that, what I've done should stop, you know, it doing it with a clamper, you know. And I've obviously replaced the CD laser that was an error. So yeah, it's all working as it should. So that's track 1. I'll take that up to track 9. Yeah, I'll go to track, oh, that's track 10. Track 10. It's wobbling about because I've got a bit of sellotape on there. It won't do that once you've got your clamper on there. If I go to track 9, I don't know how many tracks you've got on here, but I'll go to track 5. Oh, at least you've got good taste in music anyway. I don't mind playing this. Yeah, so see, as you can see, it's all working as it should be. That'll be going out for you tomorrow. Okay, so you get that before Christmas. So you got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour. So give me a shout if you need anything else. We'll be happy to help. Please leave feedback. We're grateful, and thank you very much for your business. We do appreciate it, and have a great Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.